Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear fellows, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Dear fellows, the story which I am gonna tell you today is about the adventures of Fruity, the forest healer. In the enchanting forest of Verdiana, there lived a kind and magical hero named Fruity. Fruity was the forest healer, known for her ability to heal plants and animals with her magical fruit powers. With her gentle heart and nurturing spirit, Fruity faced many challenges to keep the forest flourishing. Fruity had the power to heal and nurture nature with her magical fruits. Each fruit had special properties that could cure illness, promote growth, and restore balance. Her connection to the forest made her a beloved guardian of Verdiana. One day, a dark curse began to spread through Verdiana, causing plants to wither and animals to fall ill. The source of the curse was an ancient artifact hidden deep within the forest. Fruity knew she had to find and destroy it. Fruity gathered her animal friends and set out on a journey to find the artifact. Using her healing fruits, she tended to the sick plants and animals along the way, bringing hope and strength to the forest. When Fruity and her friends reached the cave where the artifact was hidden, they were met with dark forces. Shadows and thorns tried to stop them, but Fruity's magical fruits and the courage of her friends prevailed. They fought bravely, determined to save the forest. Fruity reached the heart of the cave and used her most powerful fruit to destroy the dark artifact. The curse was lifted and the forest began to heal. Plants bloomed and animals regained their health. Fruity had saved Verdiana. The forest of Verdiana thrived once more. The plants and animals flourished, and Fruity was celebrated as their hero. She promised to always protect and heal the forest, ensuring a future of growth and harmony. As Fruity looked out over the forest from a hilltop, she knew that new adventures awaited. But she was ready, for she was Fruity, the forest healer, the hero of Verdiana. Dear fellows, today's story was all about Fruity. If you like this superhero, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share and like my videos. Thank you.